On today's video, we're going to talk about the Opus conical burr grinder. So the top comes off and gives us a weighing tray. I'm going to put that on our scale. Measure out the amount of coffee we want. We're able to punch it in the top. And there are multiple options for how long you want the grinder to run. 1 press for 30 seconds, 2 presses for 60 seconds, or 3 presses for 90 seconds. So we're going to do the 2 short presses for 60 seconds. And we pull out our canister on the bottom, and we have our ground coffee.